Hey everybody! We're going to build some Connects today, and it's the set that's called Connects Power and Play.
And we're gonna do a drill.
It's gonna be a drill with a motor?
A drill with a motor.
Okay, page 20. And we're gonna get all the pieces that we need for the step number 1.
The motor is like that.
Well, a good thing to have when you're doing Connects blocks projects is to have a baking pan, like a cooking pan like this. And you can also use the tray of your Connects box set and put them all your pieces on there so you can see them really well. Just like that.
So we almost all have our pieces that we have to do our first picture. So there's still left 8 little round pieces exactly like that. Here, the drill, we finished it.
And what's unique about it? Look, can you turn it on? Show everybody how you turn it on.
I'm gonna turn it on. Here.
Wait, it's not there.
Here, there's a little black trick. You just have to press it, and then the drill can turn.
Don't let it turn by itself, like that. It's a little motor.
And I can even drill like that.
Okay, now, wait.
So the drill is just a motor that's turning it. And there's white piece, some little piece, all sorts of pieces, say. And turn by itself.
And now you can. What can you do with it?
Preview it.
What can you drill the table?
No, I can drill with it.
What sorts of things can you drill with it?
I don't know.
Drill a pretend hole in there?
I don't know. I can drill the paint that's here. Drawing the paint.
Yeah.
I can drill the paper.
And not too hard, like. And that's a Connects project. So did you find it hard to make, like?
No, it's really not hard. There's all sorts of things, like
Are the instructions good?
here, there are all sorts of some things. This is a drill, a big bus. Here we are seeing some plane.
Where's the plane?
Here.
Oh yeah, nice.
Or I don't know.
There's all sorts of projects you can make.
Yeah, there's all sorts of projects.
What's that one?
Like a
fan?
A fan.
There's
a frog. A fish.
Motorcycle?
A motorcycle and all sorts of things like.
And show people the cover.
The cut and.
No, it's here.
And
it's Connects Power Play.
Yeah, Connects.
You can build it. You can even build a helicopter.
Yeah, and you can go on internet to go see other projects. So that's that.